When is it time to upgrade or replace your waste handling equipment? Like all forms of equipment, over time you will find that your compactors, dumpsters, and balers need to be upgraded or replaced. Doing so can help reduce costs and exceed safety standards to maintain efficiency. So, how do you know when it's time to make a change? Let's take a look. Potential cost savings. If your business is using a dumpster for trash storage and removal on a daily basis, now is the time to consider upgrading to a compactor. A compactor offers a wide range of benefits, including less frequent hauling, less waste going to a landfill, reduced risk of fire hazards, odor, and the attraction of bugs and vermin, increased employee safety, a 4-to-1 compaction ratio, which is a greatly impactful ROI that saves time and money. Meet safety standards. In the event that your business is audited by ANSI or OSHA, you'll want to ensure that all of your waste handling equipment, including compactors and baler equipment, is up to par with the most recent safety standards and regulations. If you find that your waste handling equipment is no longer compliant, you'll want to upgrade it immediately so you can account for the well-being and safety of your workforce. Trash solutions you can depend on. At Global Trash Solutions, we develop effective trash solutions that will save your business time and money while also minimizing your business's impact on the local community and the environment. With our waste consulting services, we can help your business to save up to 50% on its waste and recycling costs. To request your free waste management consultation and analysis of your waste management needs, please feel free to call us at 866-760-8194 today.